I'd absolutely recommend Vevox to others, and I have done so. The reason that I would recommend it is just because, for one, the product is fantastic, really seamless in use, really easy to use and to pick up, but secondly, that the support that we've received from Vevox as a company has been second to none, and it's not just a case of that you get the support when you get an account, but that support and relationship is really ongoing, and it's been great working with the team. I think my tip for Vevox is just to please keep doing what you're doing, and I think the thing that sets you apart from the rest of the market is the people, and it's the personal approach and touch, and you treat all of your customers as individuals and make them feel really special. So thank you to Vevox.